So my first product for you guys is not makeup but a skincare which you actually have to use before makeup. That is a moisturizer. So this is Ayurveda Hydra Moist with SPF of 15. This is so hydrating, guys. It's so hydrating. It doesn't make you sweat. It's a very water-based. It has a very water-based consistency. I'll just show you. Come on, come out. Oh yeah. So it's into the cream form, but can you see it turns into like nothing, water, and it has nice sheen. It makes your skin really glowy. If you just want a glow on your face, can you see like the glow is pretty amazing. It's really nice, and it really moisturizes the skin very very nicely. So now the next product is a primer. I will recommend this LA Girl Pro Conceal Primer. Pro Conceal. Why do I say Pro Conceal? No, it's LA Girl Pro HD High Definition Smooth Primer. And the other one which I will recommend to you is the Lakme Absolute Blur and Perfect Primer. So this is a very old one. I haven't purchased any new primer, like it's been like 4-5 months, but these are very budget friendly and I really like both these primers. This has a little pink like, you know, tint to the product. Is really like, it has a pink tint, and this is a very silicone based, so both the products are very different. You can pick any one you want. It both does the job very nicely. This covers my pores and all. See, I have just applied it today, so you can see it. Yeah, it fills my pores and all, and this really blurs and smooths my skin. So I like both these primers. If you want, you can get any one of them. One is more than enough. Whichever you want, you can just pick it up. So after the primers, there is foundation. Like, I love this foundation. It's a very nice foundation. I love this foundation, plus I love the LA Girl Pro HD foundation because it's really very dewy. It's not matte. It's a really nice foundation. And the third foundation I really love is Maybelline Fit Me. I'm in the shade 230 Natural Buff. So yeah, you can pick any one of those foundations, but for now I've kept Wet n Wild in this kit because Nykaa always has this sale, and I got this off Nykaa for I think 300, and this is the lowest Nykaa, or you can get it at HOK Makeup also. Yeah, I think HOK Makeup, like www.hokmakeup.com. On that site too. You can get this for like 300 bucks, and this was the cheapest amongst all three foundations, so I've kept this in my kit. And it's a really nice foundation. Like I've used this like all the time whenever I go out. So after foundation is my powder. I will highly recommend this loose powder by Blue Heaven. So today, if you can see, I have done my under eyes with this powder. It's really nice powder. It's not obviously a high-end powder, so there is not much you can expect from this. This was just for like 120 rupees. But if you're a beginner, this powder is the best before you invest into any high-end powder or any drugstore powder also, which costs around like 650-700 rupees. So yeah, you can try this powder. I like this. I recommend this to all the people who are just starting into makeup. So yeah, you can try this one too. So I have these two concealers. They are my very much favorite. I use them all the time wherever I go. These two, the combination of these two is just so perfect. So this is LA Girl Pro Conceal. I love this concealer. It really it's really full coverage. Like, you have to build it twice, and it's like you're just good to go. And I use this Maybelline Fit Me concealer, just like 2 dots, just to highlight my face. So I really recommend these two concealers to you guys. So to blend your makeup, I will recommend you this sponge from Blue Heaven. Sorry, it's a bit dirty since I've just used it right now, but this sponge is really nice, very good quality. See how squishy this is. It's a very good quality, and I'll show you the size of the sponge. So it is almost like the palm size. It's really huge. It's really nice. It's very comfortable to, like, you know, blend in your concealer. Like the pointy side really helps you blend in your inner corner, and the flat side really helps. It covers almost more than half of your face, at least mine, because my face is really small. So it covers, and you know, you can just dab and you're just good to go. This sponge is really nice. if you do not want to invest in a very costly sponge, not costly, but yeah, this is for 150 rupees, and pack sponge and the other sponges are obviously for more than 400 rupees. So for a beginner, I think this sponge is the best. You should give it a shot, trust me. Let's move on to the palette, which has a bronzer, highlighter and a blush. So this is the Makeup Revolution palette, which has the bronzer, the highlighter and which has the bronzer, highlighter and the blush. If you can see, this is a pink tone blush, and pink tone generally goes in everything. And if you do not want pink toned blush, or if you want a red tone and you do not want to invest in so much money in one go, so you can have this palette always for the pink blush. And plus generally people do have nude lipsticks and red lipsticks, so you can just use your lipstick over cheek also, so that also pretty much works well. So I'm gonna just swatch this. This is the bronzer I've applied today. So yeah, can you see this? Yeah, this is the one. That's the highlight I'm gonna swatch for you. Like, the highlight is not bad at all, can you see? And I'm gonna swatch the blush right now for you. That's the pink blush. That's the bronzer, that's the highlight, and that's the blush of this palette. This palette is pretty pigmented palette. It is not something where you'll have to struggle with. I really love this palette. So you can take this will cost you around, I think 600 or 500 rupees, but this is worth the buy. And I will recommend you to buy any of these products when they are in sale, because you get it more cheaper. When there's sale, why to buy without the sale? So yeah, that was my bronzer, blush and highlight palette. But apart from that, I will recommend to you my very favorite highlighter. Okay, so this is my Makeup Revolution highlighter, and I've been raving about this to all my friends too. Whoever asks me, like whoever will ask me for suggestion of a highlighter, I will obviously go for this one. I will always recommend this to people. Like, see how loved this is. So this has like 5 different shades. These look really dark, but they aren't that dark, so I just like to swatch this for you. I will take all the colors mixed and I will swatch it here. Can you see that gold highlighter? Okay, I will swatch it on this hand. So I will swatch, these 4 colors first. Like, can you see this? Can you see this? I don't even need to swatch the 5th one. I'm having this on my face today. Like, can you see the glow? So I generally mix the first 3-4 shades only. I do not use the last shade very much. But yeah, and first I'll use all the 4 shades or 5 shades at times. It doesn't matter. You can use however you want. But then I will always top my highlighter with the first 2 shades again. So first I do apply the, I'll show you, 1 second. So first I'm going to take this entire colors. I'm going to apply it. Can you see that? Can you see that? Then I'm going to just take the first 2 shades and then I'm just going to top it off. Like, yeah, I've applied a lot of highlighter today. I've been glowing. So I've built this thrice. This is the 3rd time I'm building it up. But can you see the highlighter? It is just so amazing. It doesn't look chunky or glittery at all. It doesn't even... So when you see the other highlighters, which is a lot of glitter particles and stuff, this is not one of those. I really love this. I recommend this. I highly recommend this. Please go and try this and then thank me later. So that was my highlight. And now moving on, I will move on to mascara. I really love this mascara by Maybelline. It's the Hypercurl Volume Express Waterproof Mascara. I do not use mascaras which are not waterproof, because like after a certain point it just comes out and my eyes go black and all of that. So I always use this mascara, that is the waterproof one. Any mascara actually I use a waterproof one, but this is my personal favorite. Like, can you see the wand? It is so good. It is so good. and this is very inexpensive. This is for I think 230, 240 on a sale, or I think 250 without the sale. That is what I assume. That's on Nykaa, but I'm not sure. But yeah, it's in that range only. It's a very inexpensive mascara, and it works really well. Can you see, like, just one coat of my mascara and my lashes look like I'm good to go anywhere actually. Next product for you guys is an eyeshadow palette. This is the Sophia X palette by Makeup Revolution, and the reason why I recommend this palette is, I'll just show you. Just look at the stunning shades. Just look at them. You have your neutrals, you have your pinks and purples, you have your green, you have your reds, pinks, your shimmers, your black, your deeper browns. Like, you have every color you need apart from blue. But I think one color is, if you don't get one color in the palette, it's totally fine. But you have, like, this palette gives you so many options and so many colors. For beginners, this palette is one of the best palettes. So this palette is a little expensive. It's going to be on the side of 700 to 1000, if I'm not sure, if I'm not wrong. I think it's around 1000 to 700. In a sale, it comes between 700 to 1000 for sure. I don't know exact price, but I will put them in the description box, so please check that out. But I'm going to swatch a few colors of this. I'm going to swatch this black here for you. It's a very unusual black. It's not a normal black. I'm going to swatch the green. I'm going to swatch this light color for you, and I'm going to swatch one of the mattes. So which one do I choose? So I'll swatch a lighter color. I'll swatch this one. Come on. So these are the 4 shades. Can you just see, like, how pigmented, how pretty the colors are? That's the first color. That's the second color. And I have not digged into the palette like once, twice, thrice. It's just like, oops, sorry. That's the third color. And that's the matte. Okay, the matte did not come that nicely. I'll just, okay, it's a very light color though, so I don't know if you can see, but I'm gonna re-swatch it for you. And that's the brown matte. Can you see, like, how beautiful and pretty these colors are? Like, all the colors are so pretty in the palette, and each and every color in the palette is very pigmented. There's no one color, not one color where you will not be able to use. All the colors are just very useful, and I love this palette. So this palette has 24 shades, and for the price, 24 shades is really very nice. And do go try this palette, check this out, use it, let me know how is it. And yes, that's my palette recommendation. In this kit, I have included a lip balm too, and one of my favorite lip balm is the Nykaa Serial Kisser Lip Balm. It's in the variant, I don't know what variant is this, shit, I forgot. I don't know what variant is it, but it is in the yellow color. Can you see? It's just a very nice lip balm. So it has, it's a very sure, so I've used almost, that's the only lip balm left actually. I've used a lot. And it's a very sheer lip balm. It has no, it has no color, and this lip balm has a lot of oil, so it really hydrates your lips. It keeps your lips like really very moisturized, and yeah, I love this lip balm, and I hope you do like it. Please try it and let me know. Next up is my eyebrow kit. So I recommend this Makeup Revolution eyebrow kit. If you don't want an eyebrow kit, you can always go for an eyebrow pencil, which is, if your brows are really dark and stark, then go for a black. Otherwise, I will always prefer a deep brown or a brown brow pencil or any brow product. This is my Makeup Revolution brow kit, but please do not laugh. It's a very loved brow palette. This is how my condition of the palette is. It's been almost 1 year when I took this, and I have used it every now and then when I've gone out. So this was a very lighter shade. Here there was a little deeper shade, and this was the most deepest shade I had. And this was this was the eyebrow gel, but these two powders were almost over and they broke, so I mixed it with my gel and I use this one right now. And I use this lighter color at times to just in the front of my brows, just because I don't like very stark brows. So yeah, I highly recommend this palette. Please do go buy this, check this out. It's gonna be like costing you around like, I think 600-500 rupees, not more than that, I'm sure. And in sale, I think you will get it always at a cheaper price. So yeah, check this out. I highly recommend this palette to you. Next up is my eyeliner and a kajal pencil. So I do not have a black kajal right now. It's over. Otherwise, I would have even obviously mentioned that. But so this is the Wet n Wild Blue Coal, which I am using it. I'm wearing it on my lid. It's very creamy. It's really nice. Can you see this? The color itself is so pretty, so pretty. I mean, I'm in love with this pencil. I've used it for the first time today, and this was hardly for, I think, 120-130 rupees if I'm not wrong. But I highly recommend this. You can get this. There's very different, like many colors in this. I will definitely go and buy the brown, buy the black, and buy the nude or white if there is any in this particular pencil. And I will highly recommend this. Please do go and buy this, try it, and then let me know how do you like this or no. That was my suggestion for a kohl pencil. And for the liner, I have this Nykaa liner. It is so black. It is so good, guys. Can you see? That's just one stroke. Like one freaking stroke. It's really nice. The point, the tip, everything is so good. And this is also inexpensive. I think this is for 300 or 350 rupees, not more than that. So I highly recommend this Nykaa gel inked eyeliner. And if you want a very more cheaper version and you're okay with the liquid liners, then I really love the Lakme liquid liner, which is in the glass bottle. It's a very inexpensive one. I think it's just for like 80 or 100 bucks. Maximum it will be 120. So I highly recommend that liquid liner too. I don't have the bottle, or else I would have shown it to you. But I'm going to put the link in the description box for the products which I did not have or which I couldn't find. I'm going to put the link in the description box. Please check that out before you go. And moving on, I have an eyelash curler. I got this eyelash curler from I think I got this from the beauty center. I think this was for around 110 or 120 rupees. And this eyelash curler is so good, so good. I've been curling my eyelashes with this curler since like 3.5, 4 years. And it's still strong. Trust me, it is still strong. I got this for like 110 or 120 rupees. And I pretty much love this eyelash curler, and I would recommend this to you, to everybody. So if you go to a beauty center, just see, and whenever you buy a highlighter, just see if you have this sponge over it. And if there's sponge both the sides, it works. It's the best. But this one did not have it, so but still it works really nice. It works really very nice. You can see my eyelashes. How do they look? So yeah, this is my eyelash curler. Moving on. So for the lips, I have this lip liner by Wet n Wild. I got this for like 60-70 rupees at a Women's Day sale. It's a nude lip liner and it is really very nice. I'll swatch it for you. I've applied it under my lipstick today, but I'll still swatch it for you. See, it's like a flesh toned lip liner, my lips but better color kind of a lip liner, and I really love it. So I highly recommend. Please go and buy and try. It's a very nice lip liner. Moving on to the lipstick, the last section, I have these 3 lipsticks. So I have included in this kit I have included 3 lipsticks. That is one is a nude one, like a nude brown, one is a pink one, and one is a red one. So I will just show you right now. So these 3 are the lipsticks. Can you see? So Nykaa has this sale right now, which is buy 2 for 525. So one costs 525. So they have buy one get one free. So yeah, you can get this for 250 each or 260 each something. and this is a little expensive. This is like around okay, around the price of this is a little expensive, around like 400-500 rupees. But this lipstick, I swear by you, I swear by God, is amazing. I have applied this lipstick, I've gone out, I've eaten, I've danced, I've applied this lipstick the whole day. I've been to weddings with this lipstick for the whole day, but this lipstick doesn't come off. Even if you eat food, even if you eat the most oiliest food, this lipstick will not come out. This lipstick is just super amazing. I will highly recommend you this lipstick and all the shades of this lipstick. Please just go and try this lipstick. The color, this pink color itself is so good. Like, I've swatched it. Can you see this color? It is so beautiful. It is so good. It makes your like, you can use this lipstick on any kind of a look you want, and it's a really nice lipstick, trust me. I'm gonna swatch these other two lipsticks too. So these are molten mattes, I think. Yeah, these are molten mattes. They are super pigmented too, but the problem with these is you have to build this. So this color is very nice. The red color is really nice, and I will swatch the brown one too. Sorry. So this is the brown and this is the red. So if you apply this just like a very thin layer of this lipstick, it's going to be like nude, for at least for me. People who have like little dark lips, this lipstick, if you apply just one thin layer, it is a very nice nude. But if you build this up, it's going to be a brown, trust me. So you have two shades in one. Then this is, I spoiled it. This is a red lipstick. It takes a lot of time to dry though. Please just be patient and give it time to dry. So this is the red lipstick. See, I've just touched it and it's just gone everywhere. So this is the red lipstick. So this is a very different red color. You have to give it a lot of time to dry. The red lipstick, the color is really nice, very nice. It really enhances your the color of your face, your makeup and everything. It all just shows like it's all put together. So I really like this red lipstick. Moving on, my last product for this beginner's kit is the fixing spray. So when I went on Nykaa, when I wanted to buy this, I had very mixed reviews. Like people are having a lot of issues with, there are blotches on the face when they're using this, there are spots after using this, but I have used this today and I don't see any single spot on my face. The only key to this is you apply it from a very far angle. Do not just spray it like this on the face. It has to be at least like, you know, your one arm distance, like this much, and then you spray it on your face from that angle. So that is how it will work. It works very nice. It has, see, it has, there's no makeup on my hands. Like, it is really nice, trust me. It's a very nice beginner makeup fixer. So this is a very nice makeup fixer. It costs, I think, around 120 rupees or 110 rupees. In sale, I think I got it for like 120, 150 rupees maximum. Otherwise it's for 300. But for the 300, the size, can you see the size? It's really nice. It's very, very, very nice, and it's a very nice product. I liked it. I've used it for the first time today and I really like it. It doesn't leave any kind of patches on my face. And yeah, I highly recommend for people who are just beginning with makeup, who are just learning makeup, can buy this, use this, and let me know if this works for you or no. But it did work for me. It's just that you have to use it from a very different angle. Like your hand has to be like one arm distance completely, and then just you spray it on your face. That's all. That's the key to this fixer. So yeah, this is it, my beginner's makeup kit. I hope you like it. I hope this video was very helpful to each one of you who's watching this right now. And if you like it, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell so that you're notified whenever I upload a new video, and I'll see you on every Wednesdays and Sundays.